Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techno. Today I wanna show you how to set up D-Link router with static IP address. Let's get started. Let's start the initial connection. Your internet cable go to the internet port and your Ethernet cable is go to the Ethernet port which is connected to your computer. The connection look like this. Let's start the setup. Open control panel and select the network and sharing center. Here click on change adapter settings and then go to properties. Click on internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Here you select obtain an IP address automatically and obtain an DNS server automatically. Then click OK. Now go to the search button and type CMD for your command prompt window. Then click IP config and hit enter. Here you just copy the default gateway address and paste it on a browser. Here it is. Just paste it. Now it is the router page. Here you can see client and router is connected but the router or internet is not connected. Now start the setup. Click on static IP. Here you just fill up the form which is your internet service provider is provided. Please do not attempt if you not sure about this. Just fill out the form and then set up your wireless setup. Here see the SSID which is your Wi-Fi name and the key is your Wi-Fi password. Just give your Wi-Fi a name and a password. Then click on save and continue. This is the login page of D-Link. Here is the status of your router. Then go to setup, click manual and check the all settings. If all is okay, then go to wireless settings. Here you just enable the SSID broadcast and mode is 802.11b/g/n and channel is auto. Then apply. Now your internet connection is ready. Then go to any browser window and search it like I search Google. Here it is. It's ready. Thank you for your watching. If you like my video, do subscribe, hit like and comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.